Hi guys! In this video, we want to give information how to disassemble the standing fan and put it back on. But before that, let us to introduce ourselves first. My name is Titah Christina and Silitonga, and my left side is...
Hello, my name is Pangaribuan.
And in my right side is...
Hello, my name is Iskandar Manalu.
And we come from grade EN1C, Energy Technique Conversion, and Medan State Polytechnic. Okay, have a good watching. Goodbye.
Well, before continue on how to open and install the standing fan, it's good if we know the parts of standing fan first. In insertion head, there are front guard. This is guard ring. This is spinner. This is blade. This is guard nut, and this is rear guard.
Now let's to disassemble the standing fan. First, loosen the front guard bolt using a screwdriver. And then remove the guard ring and front guard by this standing fan.
After that, remove the blade. Then, open the guard nut by counterclockwise. Then, remove the rear guard.
Dismantling, lower the braid of the adjusting pipe by touring the adjusting adjusting clock, lower the adjusting pipe the duration limit. After that, remove.
We want to give an information how to put the standing fan back on. First, install the standing fan that has been assembled with standpipe bracket, standpipe, decoration, and above the crossbar, and harden the four stones.
Hilang.
After that, install the adjusting pipe into the lower. After that, install the adjusting pipe on the body by inserting the G end of the body hole. Adjusting pipe into the lower body hole. Adjust the bolt to fit the adjusting pipe hole and harden it.
Release spinner from motor shaft. And also guard nut from front motor cover. Install the rear guard in front.
Attach the blade, the motor shaft Replace the spinner and hidden it by turning clockwise. Look the top of the front guard that has been attached to the wiring with the regret and press until the bottom hook lock. For the crown rings, guard system, attach the front guard to the requit with its position right in the position the guard ring 10 tighten it with the ball. Okay, that's for description how to
Udah, aku aja lah itu. Okay, that's all of our video how to disassemble the standing fan and put it back on.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy this. And don't forget to like,
Comment.
subscribe.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dah.
Lima akal hendak mencari bini nang manis tapi nang gana buri. Titi robe